In this video, we are going to be making Cameroon jollof rice. In a bowl, add 4 cups of rice. Then go ahead and put your tomatoes in a bowl and wash it. Wash it thoroughly and set aside. Now you want to bring in your celery, green beans or string beans, carrots, basil. Now I'll go ahead and slice my onion. You can slice it to any size that you want. You can slice it either long or in squares, any shape that you want. After slicing the onion, remove it and put in a bowl, and then you set it aside. I'm now preparing my tomato to blend it. In a pot, bring in your oil. As the oil is getting ready, slice your basil and celery and set aside. Now that the oil is hot enough, add in your onion. Stir for about 1 minute. And then you go ahead and add your celery and basil. Stir again for another 1 minute. And then you put your tomatoes. Here comes the blended tomatoes. Add it in the pot and then continue to stir. Stir occasionally so that it doesn't burn. As the tomato is cooking, I went ahead and prepared my dry fish or smoked fish for the rice. As you can see, my fish is not too dry. That's the way I like it. Stir the tomatoes constantly in the pot. As you all know, Cameroon has the best jollof rice. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching from, and let me also know if you will be trying this recipe at home. This is the best way to cook Cameroon jollof rice, and it will come out very perfectly. The oil is beginning to float on top of the tomato, which is an indication that it is getting ready. Now the tomatoes is ready, and I will be adding 1.5 ml of water or 8 cups of water. At this point, you put in your salt, ginger powder, garlic and white pepper, That is the white pepper, hot pepper for some heat. Now I'm putting maggi. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can use chicken bouillon or maggi crevette. I added one more maggi. At this point, if you have your fish, meat, you can put it now before you cover it so that it will cooked very well before you introduce your rice. But I didn't put my fish at this point because my fish is soft. So as you are waiting for the water to boil, go ahead and wash your rice. Wash your rice thoroughly. Wash it until the water becomes clean. If you have watched this video up to this point, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section. Share the videos to your friends. I went ahead and added my rice. I'm just stirring it because my water was already boiled. Now I put my fish. As I earlier told you, my fish was soft. Always put your protein, let it cook before you put your rice. At this point, I'm introducing my crayfish. This is the right time to introduce your crayfish if you have any. If you don't have crayfish, no problem. You can skip that part. Cover it and let it cook. Reduce the flame, let it cook on low heat. As the rice is cooking, go ahead and slice your green beans and carrot. This is the green beans I'm slicing. In Cameroon, we use green beans and carrot to cook our jollof rice. It is the best jollof rice. I'm peeling the carrots right now. At this point, my house was smelling so good. Deliciously insane Cameroon jollof rice. The aroma in my house was everything. You have to try this recipe. Try it. Try this recipe and thank me later. I'm just slicing my carrots into cubes. You can slice it in any size and or shape that you want. It doesn't really matter. When I finished cutting up the vegetables, I went ahead and opened the pot to check on it. I'm just checking, tasting to see if everything is balanced. The rice is almost ready and everything tastes good, so I added my green beans and my carrot. Mix them together. Mix everything to combine. I don't want my vegetables to overcook, so when I finish mixing it, you cover it and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you take it off the heat. Look at that. Look at the rice. Look at oh oh my god, the salt is okay, the seasoning is balanced, the flavor is everything. I can't wait to taste this rice. Ooh, child. Who will not want to have a taste of this goodness? Just tell me. Come closer and tell me. If anybody sees this rice, you want to eat it. No one, I say no one, there's nobody who can resist Cameroon jollof rice. I added avocado because I love avocado and rice. Both of them go so well. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.